What is going on, everybody? This is your guy Hot Wheels Collectors Militia, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my wheel swaps. We're going to be doing it on a BMW M3 wagon, and check out the regular style rims that it came with. So now we're going to start by opening it up. The reason why I like using the razor instead of doing the nail polish remover is because when I do this, it's a lot less noticeable if you cut it the right way. See that? I just did that. And if I bring it up to the thing, you barely know it was even open and stuff, right? Unless I crack it open. Bah. So now we're gonna get this out of there. Get my little work mat. I like to rest it against this little pad that I made here and stuff. Then I got my drill. You got a 9/64 bit. And we're just gonna start drilling. Be cognizant when you're drilling. You don't need to over drill. You know when you got enough. Side. Right there. What I do is I pry out the rest of the rivet. One shot that came out. One shot that came out. Then get my nice little trusty brush so I can see everything. Then from there I'm able to separate it. Nice and easy. What I do is I come over here, cut that, remove that, cut that, remove that. That's the front. We're going to be using these rims, Yokohamas. Take it, learn the orientation. We're gonna go snap it back together. Now some people like to use and drill and tap. I used to do that, but honestly, I don't have time for that. So I'm gonna show you my method. A little bit with a glue gun. What I do is I go and I take my finger, press down. Boom, that seals it. Next side. Hold your finger down. Give it a second, it cools down. Boom. Sealed up. All together, won't come apart. And that's how I do my wheel swaps. Then I'll basically gingerly put it back in. Now you're gonna ask how I'm gonna seal this. So with the same glue gun, If you're really good, you could catch one little pinch here, one little pinch there, bring it all the way across, pinch there, gently bring it down, and then it'll be sealed in the box. All right, thank you guys for subscribing. Keep staying tuned. We got almost 300 subscribers, and we're going to be doing that bone shaker giveaway. So thank you for staying tuned, and this is how I do my wheel swaps.